Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing Slime Soccer. I'm playing for blue team. Yeah, it's pretty much a slime. You gotta kick it into the goal. Come on. Come on. Yeah, got a point. Ooh, we have 24 points. They have 8. Come on. I might not talk good because, my sore throat. Wait, how did he carry it on his head? Come on. Come on. I'll come to you later, Carl the Creeper. Yeah, we scored a point. Woo! Okay, I am gonna carry it like that. Wow, I scored! Yay! Get it off! Get it off! Yeah, I scored! Hey, don't stack me. Where is the slime? Oh, there it is. Hey, no. Get it in the goal. Oh, 2 versus 1. I'm the one. No, no, no. Woo! Okay. Come on. Ugh! Yeah, I scored! Woo! Scored! Get off of me! Wow! I'm the only blue guy. Never! Come on, carry it on my head. What the? He's a red guy, pretty much scoring, pretty much playing for a blue team. Come on. So much. Yeah, I scored. Never. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, come on, almost scored. No, stop. No, 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 no. Ah. I'll end this video when I get 30 points. If it takes long, Come on. $30 points. Go. Come on, I can't get 30 points. I have 29 points. I just need to get one more. Oh, come on, no. I just need one more point, then I end this video. Wow, it actually takes a long time to upload a long video, so yes, 30 points. 30 points, yes. Yeah, I did it. That's it, today's video. Ah!